here's we're gonna do our Christmas tree. I'm gonna use this napkin, turn it over. Always start with the right side down. And I'm gonna fold it over and take the top half and fold it down. Now we've got a square. Now that we have our square, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the square. This is the loose ends down here towards you. And we're gonna fold this into a triangle. All right, a triangle. So I'm gonna flip this over. There's our open ends at the top. You can turn it back just like this, or you can turn it back around and take your ends and fold them in so that you're seeing the right side of the fabric. So we're going to keep this process up through all your layers, but make sure that the next layer is a little bit longer than the layer before it. This is what you end up with, your layers. See how your layers, one is longer than the other, or a little higher than the other? Flip it over, and then we're going to take it and fold it in, keeping a point at the top. Same thing with the other side. Take it and fold it in so that we have a point. Now flip it back over, take those ends and fold it up under your tree, the main part of your tree. And there we have it. There's your Christmas tree. Okay, here's one other way that you can do this Christmas tree. When you fold it from the point on the back side, instead of flipping it over here, what we're going to do is flip it over and only tuck in the bottom portion. Turn it back over, and there you are. This is really cute as one laying flat onto your place setting. Okay, you can do a standing Christmas tree just like it is here, put it inside a place setting, or you can take it and lay it down in your like we have it here. These are pretty neat ideas for Christmas. Not only can you just put it on your place setting. All right, now we're going to do our elf booty. Right face down, then fold the top half down to the bottom half. And then fold it one more time down to the bottom half. Now from the middle of your napkin, you're going to fold one side over and down. Do the same thing to the other side, over and down, creating a point, and your ends at the bottom are even, or as even as you can get them. All right, from this point, we're going to take the outside point and fold it towards the center, but make sure we keep our point at the top, which will make that fold into a diagonal. Same thing on the other side, keeping our point at the top. Now you're not going to overlap these two, they're just going to be side by side, so you have a crease in the middle of it. You have a seam down the middle. So we're going to take your right side and fold it over. And when you fold it over, you're folding it right on that seam so it folds nice and neat. The top half, fold it back to the right. Don't cover your little pocket that has been created at the top here. What you're going to do here is we're going to fold the bottom half in, and then we're going to tuck that into that pocket. Make sure it's nice and snug inside that pocket. Now you've got a little opening here. You're going to open it just a little bit so that your shoe will set up. The top half is the fold on your shoe. Just take it, divide it, and fold it down. Isn't that just cute? And there's your elf shoe. Alrighty then, I hope you enjoyed this video creating your elf shoe and your Christmas tree. The elf shoe is a nice little piece that you can put on your buffet tray when you are doing a buffet. Just put it out there. Instead of them having a rolled up napkin, you just have a little elf shoe out there for Christmas. That'll be very nice. Thanks again. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and have a blessed day.